Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 26th March 2024. Let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist, Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. Please click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these videos one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel, it will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. First, let us generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, your entry time frame is daily and entry zone is a demand zone because it is a bullish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in daily time frame, we have to select the value bullish. And we will set three filters. The first filter should be the zone should not be pierced. We don't trade on the pierced zones. So you want only non-pierced zones. For that, you need to select this parameter pierced count, the last parameter in this page, and go to the daily time frame here and set the minimum value 0 and maximum value 0 indicates the pierced count is 0. That means zone is not pierced. Next parameter is zone achievement. The zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score. This is the parameter, min OE score. In minimum odd enhancer score, we should set the value 12 for bullish and bearish trade setups. Now let us filter by clicking the button top down strategy. Now we got 14 stocks. And all these 14 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup. So you can analyze the stocks and then you can plan your trades for bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. So I'll be giving you a few seconds time and move on to the next report. You need to pause the video and then study all these stocks or parameters, and after that you can proceed with the video. So now I am going back to the previous page. And here, now we need to set bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So entry time frame is as usual daily, but entry zone should be changed to supply zone because it is bearish trade setup. And in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in daily time frame, I am changing to bearish. Remaining parameters we already set in the previously. Your zone achievement is VOZ and minimum odd enhancer score 12 and pierced count should be 0. Now let me filter. No stocks are available. Check the filter if you have any doubt. Check here, time frame is daily, entry time frame. And look into the search strategy. Your entry zone is supply zone. Your zone achievement you set violated opposing zone. Odd enhancer score greater than 12 you set. In bullish or bearish trade setup, daily time frame you selected bearish. And here zone pierced count should be 0, between 0 and 0, that is 0. So currently we haven't found any stocks that are supporting bearish trade setup with these conditions. The odd enhancer score should be more than 12 and zone achievement should be violated opposing zone. Okay, now let's go. Now let us generate bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, your entry time frame, that is a lower time frame, should be 75 minutes. And the entry zone should be demand zone because it is bullish trade setup. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, at 75 minutes time frame, we are selecting bullish. Because we don't want pierced zones, let us set the pierced count should be 0, 0, but this time you have to set it to 75 minutes time frame because it is our entry time frame. So minimum value 0, maximum value 0, and these values you are setting for demand zones because your entry zone is demand zone. And the zone achievement should be violated opposing zone for your demand zone. And minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for your demand zone. Because you selected 75 minutes time frame, all these parameters, the filters will be set to your 75 minutes demand zone. Now let's filter. So these 15 stocks are supporting a bullish trade setup for a weekly income trade, that is entry time frame 75 minutes. So you can analyze the stocks. So I'm moving to the next page. If you want to study, please pause the video and proceed further. Okay, now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So entry time frame is 75 minutes, but the entry zone should be supply zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, for 75 minutes time frame, you need to select the value bearish. And remaining filter same, no pierced zones, and violated zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, VOZ, and the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter. Now 3 stocks are supported. The bearish trade setup for a weekly income trade. So this is about filtered list for short, long-term, swing or positional trade setups. Now let us generate the stop buffers for all the indices and stocks supported in F&O segment. So we are generating based on ATR stop buffers. First 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So I keep on scrolling this list down. So what you need to do, you need to pause the video, whichever the stock you want to refer. I will be giving you only few seconds time. So this is the filtered information for bullish and bearish trade setups, and these are the stop buffers for 17 indices, sectorial indices, and remaining stocks, equity stocks, but listed in F&O segment. Hope this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.